Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. It's another travel vlog to share with you. And as a budget traveler, alam nyo naman yan, I just commute from my home to Nia station at LRT 1. And after arriving at Nia, nag-taxi lang ako from the station to the airport. Well, I'm not really in a very tight budget, pero sabi nga nila, it's not all about the destination, but the journey. So I took half day at work. So I work from 6 in the morning to 10 in the morning. So I have no time earlier to clock out sa bahay kasi around 12 in the afternoon yung flight ko. So while waiting, dito na ako nag-clock out. And I had a very smooth flight and a safe travel kahit na medyo gloomy yung weather at this time. And I took my flight with Philippine Airlines. And now I have safely arrived at Cagayan Valley. And this is my first time here, so I'm really excited to see what this place can offer. So, I just got landed, and I don't know kung nasan sa Bella. Pero first, I'm gonna go toilet. In fairness, I like it. Hi guys! Mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko.
Hi vlog, I'm back! Hello sa mga fans ko!
yung huli pa yatang nasa vlog kita is hindi Baguio eh.
2023.
La Union? Na hindi eh. La Union.
La Union, 2023.
Oh my God, 2 years ago! So, welcome back!
Welcome back.
Actually, nag-stop talaga ako mag-vlog din kasi nasira yung phone ko.
Oh yeah.
So, ngayon na lang. First day ko po ngayon sa Cagayan. Wait. Kuyo.
Kulang na lang masasayad sa lupa. Kulang na lang lamunin ng lupa yung tricycle na.
Nagreklamo po siya sa Manila. Ayaw po kasi.
Tangad ang tricycle na sa Manila. Dito yung sa amin, maayos, komportable, may leg room.
May extra leg room.
May leg room. Kasya pang isa.
Uy, fairness, totoo nga.
Fine?
Yeah. So, nandito kami ngayon sa yung tour guide ko.
Plaza.
Saan tayo? Diyan sa Maritan Fresh?
Yes.
Magme-meet shop tayo?
Yes. So
Okay.
fresh, kasing fresh natin.
Nag-ano lang? So, welcome to SM. Ano pangalan nito, Ben?
SM City to Bigara. SM City to Bigara.
So, yung cinema nila. And then, World of Fun. Super cute naman ang mall na to. Like, isang haba siya.
Maganda na yun nalalet go niya na yung masyado.
Hindi ready. Maganda ka pa rin kahit di ka ready.
Dumami yung views mo dahil sa akin.
Hoy, lalagay ko yan. So guys, thank you, Bella, kasi yung daming views
aminin
daw.
mo na. Sa mga nag-PPM, nag-DM sa akin, sorry kasi hindi ko kayo nare-reply isa-isa.
So my first food in Tuguegarao is a Japanese food which Bella recommended. And dahil nga magkalayo kami, I live in Manila and she's from Tuguegarao City. So napakadalang talaga namin mag-meet, but it's always a quality time together. Good morning, guys! Nilutuan ako ng kimchi fried rice ng aking cook for today. Okay lang yan. Sexy ka pa rin. Ay. So, on my first day, may trabaho si Bella. So, I'll be exploring the Tuguegarao City on my own. So finally have arrived at SM City, Tuguegarao, downtown. And let me check some options for sunglasses. So I choose this super cute and plain design lang from EO. So I'm on my way to San Jacinto Church. And I've been walking for 40 minutes to SM Tuguegarao from Bella's house. And then now, from SM Tuguegarao to San Jacinto Church, which is just 6 minutes away, walking distance. Let me show you. That's it. And it came from somewhere right there. You know what? Super cute ng mga ano nila, ng mga tricycle nila dito. And mostly tricycle talaga. Hindi masyadong maraming jeep. Ang sabi ng friend ko, kapag daw nakakita ko ng jeep, wag daw ako sumakay kasi possible malayo daw yung biyahe nun. So, instead of riding tricycle, which is somehow they charge you overpriced, so I decided to just walk. And to be honest, super cool naman ang weather today. It's February 21. So the weather is nice, the weather is cool. Definitely perfect weather to walk around the downtown. Finally, I'm here. And the church is nice. Super unique ng design. But at the same time, it's super small. So, I went inside and just offered a small thanksgiving prayer to our Lord for this very wonderful trip. My next destination will be Tuguegarao Cathedral. So, I think eto na siya. So, from San Jacinto Church to Tuguegarao Cathedral, only, I think, 12 minutes by walk. Sa Blumentritt na ako. Sa Blumentritt Street para Tuguegarao. So, I'm here in St. Peter Metropolitan Cathedral Parish. Oh, the parking is so big. Like, can really be accommodate thousands of people, I think. Ang laki. Oh, so beautiful. So, I was just gonna take a picture para meron akong remembrance souvenir. And I think it's closed today. So, they have a mini Rizal Park here. Na sobrang cozy lang ng atmosphere. And I'm gonna go there kasi parang may museum. I want to explore museum then. Oh, look at that. Meron silang Rizal Spark Store. Galing ni ate ha, kung sino mang may-ari niya. Yun na lang yung pinangalan niya sa kanyang store. Diba, para catchy nga naman. Really few minutes away from the cathedral. Actually, you can see here from here yung cathedral. As in 1 to 2 minutes away lang siya. Nandito na tayo sa Cagayan Museum, which is my next stop. Ano siya, Cagayan Museum. So, been walking for 3 hours, started 11 AM. Bili muna tayong pasalubong. And here's my itinerary for the second day. Ta-da! Oh. Yay! Thank you, Bella! Ay,
San Jacinto Church. San Jacinto Church. Yung tapat ng St. Paul. Gusto ko mag-aircon, di ba? Sarap, Bell!
guys, welcome. Nandito kami ngayon sa mga nabili kong lote. So, visiting my lot. Ito yung first one. So, bala ko siyang patayuan ng supermarket. And this one, apartment na lang siya. Mga 10 kwarto, ganon. Yes. Eto, papagawan ko sila ng ng farm dyan. Ng mga mehe. Zoom ko nga. Ayan sila, nagkakainan. Huwag mo nang tawagin, baka habulin tayo, babe.
Hindi na nabot mo
Hello guys! Welcome naman kayo sa vlog ko. Charet.
Sarap ba?
Sarap ba? Eating grass? Ang lawa!
Sa New Zealand.
No, yes.
New Zealand to Gigaraw.
We're here now sa New Zealand.
To Gigaraw.
Sa Gigaraw?
Yes.
Saan banda yun? Dito lang yan. Sa makikita mong nag-iisa siyang aso sa lahat ng
Kalabaw na.
kalabaw.
Then ito pa parang parang front ko.
Oh yeah. Or crocodile. Ito yung ice niya.
Parang hindi nakabit. So ito.
Go, kuya! Babasain mo kami! Ah! Pansiteria. Yeah. Mega yan. $150. At ako muna siya sa bilang. Hmm.